How to add stickers on Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add stickers on your Telegram. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Telegram. Then head over to any DM that you want. After you're there, if you want to see your stickers, you can simply tap on this option right here, this one right beside the bell icon where you can see your stickers. So right here you can actually see all the stickers that you have right now, and if you want to add more stickers you can tap on this plus icon right here. After you tap on the plus icon you can then see all the stickers available. So there you can find the stickers that you want to add. You can let it load. It's not loading for some reason, but after you see any stickers that you want, so let's say that I want this muffin sticker, all I have to do is tap on this add option. After tapping on add, that very sticker will get added. There you can see the muffin has already been added to my sticker section. And yeah, you can also sort your stickers by emojis here, by feelings and mood. And yeah, you can also find stickers by simply scrolling right around here. And if you like something, I'll just tap on this option that is +1 and it should get downloaded. And that's basically how you can add new stickers on your Telegram. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.